How to invest in Dogecoin for beginners, step by step. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to invest in Dogecoin, which cryptocurrency exchanges I recommend, and kind of give you guys a potential exit strategy, entry exit strategy that you can use. So if you guys aren't familiar with Dogecoin, to give you a quick background on it, as you can see here, there's a little bit of information listed here on Coinbase. It says Dogecoin was created in 2013 as a lighthearted alternative to traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. The Dogecoin name and Shiba Inu logo are based on a meme. Unlike Bitcoin, which is designed to be scarce, Dogecoin is intentionally abundant. 10,000 new coins are mined every minute, and there is no maximum supply. Okay, so to give you guys a little bit a kind of longer term view, that 10,000 coins every minute translates to about 5 billion extra coins per year. So as you can see here, right now Dogecoin is at a circulating supply of around 130 billion, and that will increase about 5 billion each year. So over the next 10 years, there'll be about an extra 50 billion Dogecoin into circulating supply. And there's a lot of reasons why I think people are attracted to Dogecoin, mainly based on its low price, okay? This coin was so cheap, even just, this time last year, it was trading even cheaper than a penny. And then Elon Musk started tweeting about it, and he ended up appearing on Saturday Night Live, and that really drove the price to its peak here. As you can see, it got all the way up to around 70 cents, and it's been crashing along with the other cryptocurrency market. But the good thing about Dogecoin is an interesting investment is, it's one of the oldest cryptocurrencies out there, and even though it has an inflationary currency supply, the supply isn't increasing that much, right? So if it's going to be only 50 billion coins added in the next 10 years, the supply won't even increase by 50%. Okay, so it is an increase in the supply, but it's not a dramatic increase. Okay, it's not going up like 2x or 3x supply. It's slowly increasing, and it's similar to like fiat money or something like that. Now I know a lot of you are saying, why would I invest in a cryptocurrency that's inflationary? Well, the reason is that they say Dogecoin is a good alternative to the US dollar. Okay, so Bitcoin is obviously the best cryptocurrency, but a lot of people like myself, I don't like to spend Bitcoin. Okay, I try to save as much of it as possible because obviously I want to benefit from the increase in price. But if you're an investor that's looking to invest in an asset that could potentially increase your purchasing power, meaning you can use Dogecoin and spend it on things like spend it on groceries, you could spend it on potentially buy a car or plane tickets, something like that. You're looking for a cryptocurrency to invest in that could actually really substantially increase your purchasing power instead of just make you increase your net worth. Dogecoin is an excellent candidate. And the simple reason is that they just consider a Bitcoin like the crypto for the rich, but Dogecoin is considered a crypto for the people. So guys, I'm going to show you exactly the easiest way to basically invest in Dogecoin. So what I like to do, I like to use Coinbase. And the reason why I like to use Coinbase is simply because number one, it's the largest crypto exchange, in the United States. It's a publicly traded company. It trades under the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol COIN. And that really gives it a lot of legitimacy. Okay, guys, when some of these crypto exchanges, you're kind of worried, are they even going to be there next year? And Coinbase looks like it's in it for the long run. If I were to compare it to a startup that's in kind of a new space, I would say it's kind of like Facebook. Facebook IPO'd years ago, and people were kind of unsure about it. So I think Coinbase is kind of similar. They're early adopters in the crypto space in the United States. They went public, and I think this is my favorite place to buy it. Okay, very secure. They have 2FA, two-step authentication. And your account's very secure. Okay, so you can obviously buy Dogecoin here. Now I know a lot of people are thinking about, I want to invest in Dogecoin and Robinhood, but I hear Robinhood is coming out with their own crypto wallet, but right now you don't actually own Dogecoin in Robinhood. You kind of own a derivative of Dogecoin. So if you really want to be able to take your coins potentially offline or really hold them and not worry about owning a derivative or something like that, and you're not really waiting for Robinhood to kind of get their their wallet out, which they say they're working on it, but we don't know exactly sure when they're coming out. I think Coinbase is your best bet. So all you have to do is, you want to get started investing in Dogecoin, simply just click the link, the Coinbase referral link in the description below. If you guys use my link, you will get $10 in free Bitcoin, which you can actually convert that Bitcoin into Dogecoin if you want, and it'll be a great way for you guys to help me out and support the channel. Okay, so then the next step you want to do is once you have your Coinbase account set up, you'll be over here at a screen and it'll say buy, sell, convert. So all you want to do is just enter in the amount that you want to buy. Okay, so let's say you just wanted to buy $10 worth. Now there's something here where you can set up automated purchases. So this is actually something that I set up with Bitcoin, and the reason why I set it up with Bitcoin is I believe Bitcoin is a phenomenal long-term purchase. So as you can see here, what you can do is you can so what you can do here is that you can actually toggle this, right, and you can change kind of if you want to do an automated purchase. And as I mentioned, I use automated purchases with Bitcoin because I forget, I forget to buy crypto sometimes. So I just set up an automated purchase to make it very simple. So what I would recommend doing, if you guys are very bullish on on Dogecoin and you want to really build up a substantial position, as of recording this video, I think now is an excellent time to get into Dogecoin. We want to get into assets when they're unpopular. Okay, guys, we don't want to invest in things when they're so popular that the price is very high. We want to get in things when they're unpopular. So as you can see here, you can set up a daily, weekly, 1st and 15th of the month, or monthly recurring purchase. So what this will do is it just takes the guesswork out of it. Okay, you don't have to remember to buy Dogecoin. You don't have to worry about it. You set it up, your automated purchases, it'll automatically take the money from your credit card or your bank account. So but for this situation, let's just do a one-time purchase. So all you have to do is click the amount you want to set up, and then right here you'll be asked to you can pay two different ways. Okay, it's much cheaper to pay with your bank account. So if you pay with your bank account, the fees are going to be much lower, and Coinbase is notorious for higher fees, guys. And there is a cheaper way that you can actually purchase Dogecoin. You can use Coinbase Pro, but the reason why I prefer using a regular Coinbase, even though the higher fees, is because I can set up the automated payments. Me being able to automatically buy crypto and not worry about it or have to remember to buy it offsets the extra fees, because I just see the fees as a cost of doing business. Okay, guys. It is what it is. So like you said here, you can, if you pay with your credit card, your bank account, you can link your bank account. It's going to be cheaper for you, or you can use a credit card and the fees are a little bit higher. Okay, so then all you have to do is just simply go in here and click buy now. Now, you'll be getting the funds instantly, and usually it takes a couple of days for them to take the money out of your bank account, or once you link your bank account or your credit card. If you do your credit card, it'll be instant, obviously. Now you can also set up a custom amount if you want to go in and spend even more money. Now on my account personally, I can buy up to $35,000, but I believe after a while Coinbase will increase your limits, so that definitely can help you guys. So you guys are sitting on a lot more money. Maybe you're sitting on like $50,000, $100,000. You might be to look forward towards a wire transfer for Coinbase, and you can actually wire money to them as well. It might take a day or two to settle, but they do have wires for much larger transactions. And then also another really interesting thing that you can do is you can store your Dogecoin in the vault. So once you invest in Dogecoin, okay, it's going to be sitting here in your wallet. But maybe you don't, if you really want to invest in it over the long run, you probably don't want to just leave the Dogecoin sitting in your wallet, because it's more vulnerable and it can be sold and things like that. And maybe you really want to stop yourself from, overreacting, and you're worried about, oh, if the price goes down too much, you might want to sell it. So what I recommend doing is just sit here and you can just simply create a vault. So you just click here, you'll create a Dogecoin vault. It's great for long term. It stops you from selling. It has delayed withdrawals. You have to basically confirm 2 emails and confirm a phone number, and then if you want to withdraw some Dogecoin, you're going to have to wait 2 business days. So I think this is a much safer way to store your crypto for the long term. It really protects you from hackers, from theft, from emotional decisions. I keep most of my crypto in Coinbase in the vault. It eliminates everything from theft and scams to even emotional selling. I have to wait 2 days to sell, and usually after seeing price swings and things like that, I just change my mind and I just end up holding. So overall, this is probably the best way to invest in Dogecoin, in my opinion. Now Coinbase isn't available in every country, but they are available in a lot of countries. Of course, they're available in the United States. They're expanding places like Japan and Germany. But if they're not available in your country, particular, you can also buy Dogecoin on other exchanges like Binance is a really popular one, and you can also get Dogecoin on another app called Voyager, which is available in some countries as well. And to wrap things up, guys, I'm going to give you guys an exit strategy on Dogecoin. To do that, we're going to have to look at the overall crypto market. So a good exit strategy, I would say, when investing in Dogecoin, because you just don't want to buy something and you don't know what your plan is, okay? The overall crypto market is at about $1.4 trillion, and Dogecoin, as I make this video, is sitting at about a $28 billion market cap at around 21 cents. So it's still a top 10 cryptocurrency. So there's a couple of ways that you can play this, okay? Basically, Dogecoin is going to basically run with Bitcoin. As Bitcoin goes, usually the rest of the cryptos go. So I would say a realistic strategy would be definitely, I do believe in taking profits on the way up, but I don't believe in taking profits 100%. So let's say Dogecoin, perhaps, you double or triple your money. It wouldn't be probably a bad idea to take some of the money off the table. Or if you want to, you can be like, you can be extremely bullish on Dogecoin and you can just hodl it, We all know that crypto's the future. Guys like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban are obsessed with Dogecoin, and the inflationary 5 billion a coin supply every year won't really it won't destroy Dogecoin like the US dollar. Okay, there's trillions and trillions of US dollars in circulation. There will not be trillions of Dogecoin in circulation for, it'll be hundreds of years. So it's nothing to worry about. And we don't even know if crypto will be around 100 years from now and things like that. Obviously, maybe a better technology will take it over. But I think due to not having to worry about inflationary supply, I think that Dogecoin does have the potential to really run to perhaps $1 or more in the future. It could take a few years, okay? But the fact that Dogecoin ran all the way up to, it ran as high as 70. It ran as high as like 73 cents during the crypto boom earlier in 2021. So, hey, I think it has a bright future. I think all cryptocurrencies do. I really think that these are some excellent long-term investments. If you don't have the money to really invest in Bitcoin and you're looking for something a lot more speculative, I think Dogecoin is an excellent candidate. Now, do I think it's the best long-term crypto investment? No, I don't. I think Bitcoin is the best long-term crypto investment, but there's nothing wrong with having a few altcoins, alternative coins in your portfolio as well. Me personally, I have about 80 to 90% of my crypto in Bitcoin, and then I speculate in some other coins, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Cardano, and things like that. But it's just a way for me to not put all my eggs in one basket. And if Dogecoin, if Litecoin, if some of these other coins do catch on and do really well, I'm gonna obviously make some gains, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out Coinbase if you guys looking for a safe place to buy crypto. And the reason why I'm so bullish on Dogecoin right now is simply just the price, guys. The price has been so beaten down. This asset is still up 6,000% over the last 52 weeks, and it's completely sold off. It's complete. No one's talking about Dogecoin anymore, and that's the best time to buy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys enjoy my content on my channel, be sure to subscribe for more investing videos on things like stocks and crypto and stuff like that. And be sure to smash the like button as well. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, guys. So if you guys have any more questions about investing in Dogecoin, if you guys want me to post more Dogecoin videos, be sure to let me know in the comments as well. So that's it until next time, guys. Take care.